A Muslim imam engaged a Christian pastor in a debate. I'm a Christian, and to be honest, I don't want to lie. This debate is not going in our favor because our Christian pastor is just fumbling. He's unable to explain Matthew chapter number 1, verse 16, and Luke chapter number 3, verse 23. I repeat, our Christian pastor is unable to explain Matthew chapter number 1, verse 16, and Luke chapter number 3, verse 23 in this debate, and he's just fumbling. I'm going to play you the video right now, but before then, please help me share this video. Let it get to our geo, most especially let this video get to Dr. Abel Damina. Perhaps it can help us to explain Luke chapter number 23 and Matthew chapter number 1, verse number 16. Watch the video.
He got Joseph, the husband of Mary, to whom was born Jesus, who is called Christ.
Yes.
So who's the father of Joseph? Jacob, right? He begot Joseph, right?
Yeah.
And from Joseph, which is not the real father, according to you, God is the father of Jesus, but Joseph lineage through him, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Can you open Luke 3:23?
Yeah. I can explain that to you right away.
Excellent, good.
Because they are talking about two different lineages.
Let's see it.
One is according to the father's side, the other one is according to the mother's side.
Let's see.
Okay, please. Okay.
So Luke 3:23.
Yeah.
So Jesus himself began his ministry at 30 years of age, being, as supposed, the son of Joseph, which was the son of Heli.
Yeah.
So this says Joseph is the son of Heli.
Yeah.
So who is the father of Joseph?
Okay.
Jacob or Heli?
Now again, let me explain that to you.
Please.
Thank you for pointing it out.
I appreciate your explanation.
For Hebrew, okay, when they talk about the father of whom, it may mean the immediate father.
Okay.
It might mean the grandfather.
Okay.
Or the great-grandfather.
So which one is the grandfather?
Okay. And at the same time, we are talking about two different lineages as well.
Which one is the lineage of Mary?
Yeah. Now, you see over here is mainly focused, in talk about Mary, okay?
Which one is about Mary?
Okay. Now,
I'm sorry.
Matthew, okay, talk about Joseph, okay?
Okay, so you're saying Matthew is the lineage of Joseph, and you're saying Luke is the lineage of Mary?
No, further down, okay? And then it all point all the way to Adam, okay, in Luke.
Sorry. Which one is the lineage of Joseph, and which one is the lineage of Mary?
Now, I do have that right up. No. I'm not.
Let's be honest with each other.
I am honest.
You're just jumping.
No, I'm not jumping. Because
which one is the lineage of Mary and which one is the lineage of Joseph?
Now, let me see that.
One says begot and one says son. Neither one goes to Mary.
Now, okay, over here. Okay, let's read that. Okay?
Let's read it.
Let's read that.
First, you just tell me which one is Mary's and which one is Joseph's.
Now let's go back to here.
You're not telling me.
No. I'm telling you in here. Okay.
Which one is Mary's? Which one? Just before we start, is Matthew Mary or is Luke Mary's?
Okay. Now, when you read that, okay, when you read this from here,
come on.
Okay, I want to let you know.
Just tell me which one is Mary's and which one is Joseph's, because you said one is Mary's and one is Joseph's. Which one is which? Just tell me, Matthew or Luke. That's it. Easy question.
My understanding, okay, from my recollection, okay,
because
there are so many things.
PhD.
Yeah. My recollection, my understanding is that will be from the Luke side, okay,
so
from
Luke
the Luke
is whose?
Okay, that's my understanding from the lineage from Mary, as my understanding.
Hold on. So you said that. So if you look at that, it says the son of Joseph, the son of Heli. How can that be Mary's lineage if it says son? It doesn't mention Mary anywhere. And it says the son of Heli. How can that be Mary's lineage? Come on.
Okay, I might have mixed up. That would be, sorry anyway.
Okay.
I have to say